Apex News, India, Northeast.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं दीपिका दे और आप सभी देख रहे हैं मेरे साथ एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। चलिए सबसे पहले एक नजर डालते हैं आज की हेडलाइंस पर। अब खबरें आगे।
डिप्टी सीएम स्न्याव भलंगधर ने कहा कि राजनीतिक दलों को अपने मुद्दे प्रदर्शन के बजाय बातचीत के जरिए उठाना चाहिए। उन्होंने कहा कि सरकार हमेशा वार्तालाप के लिए तैयार है।
They can come and submit the memorandum nicely to the chief minister. We can have a dialogue and discuss. That's usually how we run the governments. Obviously, if there is any public issues, any urgent issues from any political party has the right to meet the chief minister in a proper way, or the government. So they are most welcome if they come and place their agenda, place their issue. We will discuss on that. No issue on that.
Do you see any political agenda in that march?
No, I have seen a few agendas, but they will be explained to what is the meaning. I saw the agenda is few of them. It's mostly government has been already under discussion under the process. So the agenda is more this normal agenda only. So let's see when they come. Maybe they want to meet CM or something. So CM will address it nicely, I think. But they are most welcome if they come in the form of 3, 4, 5 leaders. Usually what we have, you used to, if any protester, if anybody come, we always welcome them for talks. And surely that day when they come, so let's handle it. So we are open to everybody, any political party, no issue on that, because we are here to serve the people. We are here to serve the state nicely. Yes, if there is any lapses here and there is a place to talk, and they are most welcome for talk, anybody.
Will you formally invite them?
No, that will let CM reply, not me, because I think they want to meet CM only. And obviously, the government is always open door for everybody who talks. And if there is any issue, let us solve the issue collectively for the people of the state. Sometimes, you see, if we just keep playing politics every now and then 24 hours, we are here to serve the people. Suppose if any PT issue and we have to call public to match to discuss, what are the point public elect us? We have been elected by the people to represent for that issue. And if small issue and we call people, come let us match to secretariat. This is not the way. All the MLAs, the MDCs, the people leaders, they have the right to meet the chief minister, the government nicely in such a manner. And the door is open for them 24 hours. Suppose if any issue in my constituency, I have to call my people to accompany me. I'm their leaders, I'm their MLA. It's my duty to meet the governments to discuss that issue respectively for whatever constituency. So I have seen it's a practice from the past also. If there is an issue, maybe the particular MLA or the particular political party, they always meet with the leaders, with the government. And that's how it works in the government.
You can also tell us about how this.
मेघालय सरकार हाईकोर्ट के आदेश के बाद लाइटुम खरा के हॉकर्स को 17 अगस्त तक नए स्थानों पर शिफ्ट करेगी। इसके लिए 2 वैकल्पिक वेंडिंग साइट्स चिन्हित की गई हैं।
Yeah, it will be very soon, and we have served them a notice. They should be shifted by 17th of this month from the court order also. So my officer is on the job with them. We are discussed with them nicely. We negotiated, we dialogue with them, and I think everything should be okay. It seems all the things is moving in the right direction.
So we have seen that many places the government has been able to relocate.
Yeah, already.
They were very
Yeah, because for the Lai Mukra hawkers, we have identified 2 places. One is Dhangati Parkings, and another one is Brival Bangalow places. And actually, it's a good place for them. And yes, if there is any lapses here and there, not up to the mark as they expected, we will try to work nicely to make them happy.
What about Morphan and GS Road?
Same thing. Now, in Jail Road, we have done it. We have placed them in the Polo and in front of SBI. And next, we will discuss the GSO and Morphan issues. We'll do it in the phase-wise manner. And even for the GSO and Morphan, we have identified somehow in the near Yaudu parking lots.
So just one clarification. We have seen that the areas where the hawkers we used to sit is a bit in a very dilapidated condition. So will the government
correct. Yeah, some of them they raise this point. Don't worry. For those areas which is not proper, we will correct it. We will improve it properly from the government side.
डेप्यूटी सीएम स्न्याओ भलंगधर ने कहा कि मेघालय और असम सरकार जल्द ही बैठक कर दोनों राज्यों को प्रभावित करने वाली बार-बार की बाढ़ की समस्या का संयुक्त समाधान ढूंढेगी।
He will meet the CM of Assam. We will discuss and we will solve it collectively. Because we are not here to blame each other. We are here to work for the people. Frankly speaking, if there is any problem on the road or the highway, we as a government, both the government, if there is a place to solve collectively, we will solve collectively. No issue on that.
So recently, Honorable Chief Minister had also mentioned that this problem can be resolved only through a scientific method. So
No problem. Yeah, when both of them are meeting together, we will discuss in a good atmosphere and we will try to see which is the best way to solve this issue. No issue for that. We are ready for that.
शिलोंग में मेघालय स्टेट पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड के ऑफिस पर 2 नकाबपोश बदमाशों ने पेट्रोल बम फेंककर फरार हो गए। घटना में कोई घायल नहीं हुआ। पुलिस ने एफआईआर दर्ज कर जांच शुरू कर दी है। सिर्फ 1 घंटे की तेज बारिश के बाद जोराबाद में फिर से भारी जलभराव हो गया, जिससे ट्रैफिक प्रभावित हुआ। घटना ने एक बार फिर स्थायी समाधान की जरूरत को उजागर किया। फ्लड प्रॉब्लम।
यहाँ लेंगे एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, मिलेंगे कुछ और खबरों के साथ। ब्रेक के बाद देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया।
You think champions are made in the arena? They rise from the streets. The streets remember champions.
Welcome to Greenhaven, Shillong. Hidden among Meghalaya's misty hills, Greenhaven, Shillong invites you to slow down and reconnect. Indulge in luxurious comfort, stunning views, heartfelt hospitality, and the serenity of nature. Discover a stay that's more than a getaway. It's an experience, where every stay feels like coming home.
ब्रेक के बाद एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। चलिए देखते हैं बाकी की खबरें।
रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर क्लब ने लबन बंगाली स्कूल में इंग्लिश रेसिटेशन कंपटीशन का आयोजन किया। इस प्रतियोगिता में विभिन्न समुदायों के लगभग 160 प्रतिभागियों ने हिस्सा लिया।
Today I am gonna recite a poem named Books by Eleanor Farjeon. Books by Eleanor Farjeon. What words of wonder are our books? As one
poem named Where Do All the Teachers Go by Peter Discus. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock?
ऑल मेघालय फार्मासिस्ट एसोसिएशन ने एमपीएससी के माध्यम से भर्ती फार्मासिस्ट के अधिक पद और सर्विस रूल्स में संशोधन की मांग की है। संगठन ने चेतावनी दी है कि मांगे पूरी न होने पर आंदोलन किया जाएगा।
2026, we all came from All Meghalaya Pharmacists Association. So the intention that we have made is that we will meet the CM today, because since the last three and a half months we have taken an appointment from the CM office, but we didn't get any response from the CM office. So that's why we came here to directly meet him. But we feel sad at the moment because the Chief Minister of the state he was not there at the office. So we will not take any decision now. So we will talk. We are to talk with the PS that since the CM come to the state, he gave us an information, an appointment to meet the CM. Otherwise, we'll give a time at least in a few days or few days, not within a few months. If the government, if the CM did not respond or did not means he escaped to meet us, we'll take another decision whether we'll take any course of decision, agitation will take. So if we'll take any decision, let the government will understand how much concern of our profession.
साउथ शिलोंग के एमएलए सनबोर शुल्लाई ने रिलबोंग आग से प्रभावित 6 परिवारों को आर्थिक सहायता दी और उनके पुनर्वास के लिए हर संभव मदद का भरोसा दिया।
अभिषेक
केंद्र सरकार ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट को बताया है कि गंभीर अपराधों के आरोपियों के खिलाफ दर्ज लगभग 2700 एफआईआर वापस नहीं ली जाएंगी। सरकार ने कहा कि ऐसा करने से पुलिस बल का मनोबल टूटेगा। इससे पहले चीफ जस्टिस सूर्यकांत की बेंच ने भी स्पष्ट किया था कि गंभीर अपराधों के मामले वापस लेना जरूरी नहीं है।
The central government has informed the Supreme Court that it will not withdraw around 2,700 FIRs registered against persons accused of grave and heinous offences. During the hearing, the bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant clarified that FIRs involving serious criminal antecedents need not be withdrawn. The centre also argued that withdrawing such cases could demoralize the police force and weaken law enforcement.
लश्कर-ए-तैयबा के वरिष्ठ कमांडर रिजवान हनीफ ने एक वीडियो में दावा किया है कि पिछले 4 सालों में पाकिस्तान में संगठन के करीब 30 आतंकी रहस्यमय परिस्थितियों में मारे गए। उसने इसका आरोप भारत की एजेंसियों पर लगाया है। भारत की तरफ से इस दावे पर कोई आधिकारिक प्रतिक्रिया नहीं आई है।
इस जुर्म के अंदर हिंदुस्तान की खुफिया एजेंसीज ने उसको यहाँ आजाद कश्मीर के अंदर भी अमन और चैन से नहीं रहने दिया। अपने जर खरीद एजेंटों के जरिए से उसको यहाँ पर शहीद किया गया। ये पहला वाकया नहीं है। गुज़श्ता 3-4 सालों के अंदर 30 से ज्यादा वाकयात हो चुके हैं कि हमारे भाइयों को शहीद किया गया। किसी को पेशावर में, किसी को कराची में, किसी को पिंडी में, किसी को रावलाकोट में।
खबरों में आज के लिए इतना ही। ऐसे और खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। धन्यवाद।
Apex News India Northeast।